His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, by the Gazette Notice number 1965 of 2025, dated 30th February 2025, appointed members to the boards of Keroka and Nyamira municipalities without the approval of the County Assembly of Nyamira, in direct defiance of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, the Urban Areas and Cities Act 2011, as amended 2019, and the Public Appointments County Assemblies Approval Act 2017. 2. The approval of the members to the two board members was not among the business transacted during the morning and afternoon sittings of the County Assembly of Nyamira on 19th November 2024. 3. The governor has to date retained the said board members in defiance of clear judicial and senatorial pronouncements. 4. This constitutes a blatant disregard for the rule of law and contempt for legitimate authority. Allegation number 5. Gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the County Government Act 2012 by appointing the selection panel for the recruitment of the chairperson, secretary, and members of the Nyamira County Public Service Board, CPSB, without the approval of the County Assembly of Nyamira. Whereas Article 10 of the Constitution on the national values and the principles of governance requires the observance of the rule of law, good governance, integrity, transparency, and accountability. Whereas Article 73 and 74 of the Constitution 2010 outline the responsibilities of state officers and the principles of public service, demanding objectivity, impartiality, and accountability. Whereas Article 232 subsection 1 of the Constitution 2010 sets the values and principles of public service, requiring efficient use of resources, transparency, and fair competition and merit. Whereas Section 4 of the Public Appointments County Assemblies Approval Act 2017 requires that an appointment under the Constitution or any other law for which the approval of a county assembly is required shall not be made unless the appointment is approved by the relevant county assembly in accordance with this act. 1. The governor appointed a selection panel for the recruitment of the chairperson, secretary, and members of the Nyamira County Public Service Board, CPSB, without the approval of the County Assembly of Nyamira. 2. The governor willfully circumvented the legitimate constitutional approval process, rendering the appointment unlawful. 3. The selection panel proceeded to invite, shortlist, and conduct interviews for the applicants for the positions of chairperson, secretary, and members of Nyamira County Public Service Board, in total defiance of clear judicial and senatorial pronouncements. 4. These actions are contrary to the constitutional principles and undermine public service integrity. Allegation number 6. Gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, County Governments Act 2012, by failing to appoint the chairperson, secretary, and members of the Nyamira County Public Service Board. Whereas Article 235 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 provides that a county government is responsible for A, establishing and abolishing offices in its public service, B, appointing persons to hold or act in those offices and confirming appointments, and C, exercising disciplinary control over and removing persons holding or acting in those offices. Whereas Section 58A(1) of the County Governments Act 2012 provides that whenever a vacancy arises in a county public service board, the governor shall nominate and, with approval of the county assembly, appoint members to a selection panel for the purpose of selecting suitable candidates for appointment as members